What I'm doing here today is replacing the cabin air filter in an F-150. This would be from 2015 through 2020. First thing you want to do is drop your glove box down and then reach in the corner here and pull this little rubber deal out. It just simply pulls out. And then you're going to need a 7mm socket, and there's two screws we are going to remove, here and here. And take your literature out of there. Now with those two screws removed, simply grab the bottom of it and give it a good swift yank. This whole thing comes out. There is a wire harness connected on there. You do not need to disconnect that. Now up in here, I'll try to zoom in and get you a better look at the door. The cabin air filter box here. There are tabs on each side here that we are going to pull on, and this whole cover will come off. This right here is the tab. You simply just pull it back, same way as on this side. Pull it towards you and it'll unlock. Now we'll grab it, slide out our air filter here. It's a little grungy. Purchased a new one from Ford. It is a Ford branded one. They seem to be a better quality, that when you try to slide it in there, that they don't crunch up. And it should have an arrow on here, and the arrow will point down. Slide it all the way back in there. Now we'll reinstall our little cover. When installing our little cover, there are these two tabs here. They correlate with the tabs down here. We'll go and slide that in. Push it up. Lock it into place. Next, what we'll do is snap our little tabs back in on our glove box thing here. I'll replace our 7mm screws here. Now we'll take our little rubber tray here. Just simply slides up in there, push it, and these little tabs will go right into the thing there. Push the end in over here. Place your glove box contents. All done.